In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage CMS items in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To start off, you'll want to visit Webflow. Think of it as your virtual sandbox where you'll create custom websites with ease. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the Login page, where you can enter your credentials. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you have an account, simply log in, and you'll be on your way. Upon logging in, you'll be redirected to the Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, giving you access to your various projects and allowing you to manage them efficiently. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you haven't already. It's where a lot of the magic happens. Next, locate and select the project you're aiming to manage. Once you've clicked on your project, you'll enter the editor where a range of tools and options are at your disposal. To begin managing CMS items, look for the CMS button. This button is critical as it takes you into the CMS environment, where you'll handle all your content management tasks. Now, within the CMS area, you'll see various collections. These collections act like folders and represent different groups of content types, such as blog posts, portfolios, or testimonials. Take a moment to browse through these and select the collection you wish to manage. It's important to select the right one, as it ensures you're organizing and editing the correct set of items for your project. Adding a new item is straightforward. You'll find a Plus New Item button once you've selected your collection. Clicking this opens a new panel where you can input the details of your new CMS item. Remember, this could be anything from a new blog post to an addition in your portfolio, whatever fits the context of your project. Fill out all relevant fields like title, description, images, and other specifics that align with your site's needs. And that's it. You've successfully added a new CMS item to your collection. These steps might seem simple, but they're powerful in maintaining a fresh and dynamic website that engages your audience effectively. I hope this brief tutorial has given you clarity on adding and managing CMS items in Webflow. Feel free to revisit any step if you need to, and remember that practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and keep creating amazing content.